How's it going, guys? My name is Majid, and in today's video I'm going to do a little bit of a different video than normal. Not really a product review or a comparison, but I'm actually sitting in my 2009 Audi A4 sedan Quattro, and basically I've had this car for about a year, and I thought, well, it's a perfect time for me to actually go and put some tint on it, start doing some customizations, because it really is completely stock. And with that said, I started looking on YouTube for examples of different shades of tint that could potentially go on. Now, I live in British Columbia, Canada, where the tint laws are pretty strict. So you're only allowed having tint on the rear windows as well as the back view main rear window. So it doesn't really look good if the tint on the rear windows is really dark and there's nothing up front. So I wanted to see what the variations are, and the options that I had are 20%, 5% and 35%, and I decided to go with 35%. So I thought I'd make this video to help out anyone else who might be looking to put tint on their car and doesn't want to go completely too dark. So without further ado, let's take a look at what it looks like. So as you can see here, I'm inside the car, and this is basically what it looks like on a nice sunny day. So that window right there is my front passenger side window with no tint on it. And if I turn around to the back, you can see that it basically looks like there's no tint on the rear windows as well, but it has 35% tint. So the visibility from inside is actually quite good, and you'd be surprised to see the difference in terms of tint and what it looks like outside, especially when you're not looking at the window directly. So let me show you that a little bit and you guys can take a look. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm outside and the car does look pretty tinted, and on the front you'll notice that there's no tint, but as soon as you walk back there's clearly tint on the rear windows as well as the main window. But the interesting thing is it doesn't actually look half bad. It does give you a bit of a dark feel, and then if you look straight through you can see some stuff. So there is still light passing through, which gives it kind of a unique look. Sometimes, depending on the angle that you're looking at it, it might be a little too light for some people, but I think it's a decent mix between the percentages. So 35% I guess works for this car and the color, as well as it's not really too sporty of a vehicle. So I think it works, but that's basically it, guys. So if you are interested in putting on tint, hopefully this video helped you guys. If you are thinking of putting tint on your car, let me know what you're going with down below in a comment. And if you think I should have gone with something a little darker, leave that down below as well. If you like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos to come soon.